Yeah, what's the biggest reason why people have to buy or especially rebuy a stud finder? Of course, when you're young, there's some time when you buy your first stud finder, but a lot of people have to buy them at a later age again. And the reason usually is not that they are not working anymore, because it's usually not rocket science, but the big reason is that we usually don't use stud finders a lot. And so we keep them in a drawer for half a year, 2 years, 3 years, and we don't take out the batteries. And when we need it again, the batteries have been leaking into the device and we have to buy a new one. And that's not going to happen here because this one is rechargeable. And so there's pretty much zero risk of a leak. Just make sure that you keep it nicely charged, but with the high quality lithium-ion batteries here inside with very low self-discharge. This shouldn't be a problem. But of course, that's not the only reason why to buy this FNIRSI wall detector or stud detector, metal detector, wire detector. It's a 6-in-1. So we have more possibilities than with most stud finders. We have also an automatic sensitivity adjustment. We even have an automatic detection how deep something is inside of the wall. That's definitely a rather rare function. And another rather unique thing is the hole here in the center. So we can really pinpoint where something is. Usually we can just mark it outside and then we can just guess where the center is. And on top of everything, yeah, it comes from FNIRSI, which is a brand which I really trust. I'm using their devices since many years and they have never disappointed, they have never failed. But of course, it's still worth to check it in detail. The model type is WD-01 and this is how we get it, nicely packaged, nicely protected here inside. Really nice, beautiful, also some great protection for this shiny surface. Watch this thing, how beautiful this is. Also very important that we have this protection here in the back. So when we go along a wall that we are not scratching it, you can hear that really nice. And so here in the back we have the charging port for the modern USB-C and also the on-off. And of course we get also some accessories, and that's the standard USB-A to modern USB-C charging cable and also a detailed instructions manual. And it comes even with this really nice carry pouch for a decent protection. Most of these devices don't come with such a nice case. Comes even with this belt strap here. Really super convenient. And so I've been fully charging and I noticed that we have full PD charging support. Really nice. So we can remove that, by the way, when you have green, then that means it's fully charged. And so with a short press, we can turn it on. You have to move here a little bit away. You can see it has already found something here. There's metal underneath. By the way, here are the selector buttons which you can use to choose what we want to search. Here on the left side, the studs, and here on the right side, the metal and the wire. By the way, we have also a reset pinhole here if there's a problem with this device. If you don't like the beeping, we can push both buttons at the same time, so it will remove the beeping. You can see that here, maybe easier for the video. Then highly recommended to do a calibration. Best is to do that if you are far away from anything, maybe even go away from the wall or desk, and then we long press here until we get the green light again. Put it down. By the way, the calibration for the foreign objects, or actually the studs, is automatically done when we switch the function. So when we press here, can see it says calibration OK. Every time when we press here, calibration OK. Also, when we switch between deep and exact mode with a long press, it always does the calibration automatically. So make sure while doing that you are away from any studs. And so we can see the crossbars and the percentage when we move it up. Here you can see when I get closer, it increases the bars, and the percentage when I move away, it decreases. Very nice, you can see. And with the metal we get also a center indicator. Here we have the center indicator that's only available for metal, and we can also see how deep below the metal is. It says 2 centimeters, which is pretty accurate, I would say, because it's right underneath the desk. And now let's see if we can also find some studs behind the wall. And you can see we have an exact mode here where we can really pinpoint the center, but when we long press here, it changes to the deep mode, so we can easier find anything. But when we are close, it's highly recommended to switch with a long press to the exact mode. So we have these 2 possibilities. So let's go here along the wall, and you can see we have here definitely something in this area, and we even have a center here. As you can see, we don't have a real indicator which shows where to go, left or right, but you can find the center easily here anyway without that. It also shows some electricity. You can see that we have a lightning indicator in the display, and we see also the red flashing light when we have some active AC power. Of course, even better to see here directly on the outlet. I could also go to the wire detection mode and then move up here along the wire. Also nice detection here. So we definitely have here a real high-tech version of a stud finder, metal finder, wire finder, whatsoever. Super flexible. I like the easy operation with just 2 buttons. Lot of information here, and especially the depth function, something which I've never seen before on a stud finder. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this device, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.